Hello there. We will learn how to highlight the text in Gmail and also use other tools to make email more effective. I am on Gmail and writing a mail. In order to highlight the text in Gmail, compose mail. Simply highlight the text. At the bottom, click on A. There are two types of colors, background and text. If I chose the background with yellow, it looks like this. I can also change the text color in the same writing as well. You can also make any word bold. Can also make italic or underline it as well. Another important thing is, you can also change the default font in it, selecting the text and then choosing the font family from the list given. And this is how you can simply play with the features given in Gmail to make your texts attractive and highlight the point you need to do. Hope you liked the video and also subscribe to Joseph IT. Goodbye.